Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to completely uninstall Anydesk from Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type control panel, open it and select programs and click on programs and features. Here in the search just type A, you'll be having this Anydesk over here. Right click and uninstall. Click on yes and select uninstall and click on OK. That's it. Now you can see Anydesk is not there. Now we need to go and also delete some unnecessary folders. So now just go to local disk C. You will be having this program data. This is a hidden folder, I guess. So just go to view and check this hidden items. Okay, then only you will be able to see that. So in program data, here we are having a folder named Anydesk. So basically right click and delete this. Now go to users, your username, and we'll be having the app data folder. Make sure that you are checking hidden items. Go inside it and go to roaming, and here also we are having Anydesk. Right click and delete it. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you completely uninstall Anydesk. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.